somewhere in the United States, they are still United States is still recording cases of bird flu. Okay, and what made me, go deep into this article or research is they've discovered a new mutation in cats. Okay, they've discovered that the bird flu is trying to mutate, trying to, change form in cats. Okay, so those who are in the United States, they have to be very careful, because there are cases of bird flu in the United States. The US is still recording cases, and now the bird flu is trying to mutate. Okay, it's trying to, resist treatment and other prevention methods. So please, those who are in the United States, they have to be, very careful, because the bird flu is still in the United States, and now the virus is trying to what, mutate, change new form to what, to resist any treatment that may come on its way.